continual sound system around this house for on and on. They can see me actually filming, so they turn it off. Is that coincidence or Matrix? Because it's kind of strange. Some people would say, well, isn't it good that you have street maintenance? And, but this same street maintenance took place a few days ago, so it becomes like what would occasionally be a benefit is just a continual sound system, because it's completely unnecessary to do grass and lawn on one small dead-end street every few days. But either way, there was other sound going just before that, but every time I go to record it, it goes off. That's how you know that there's something really strange and not normal going on. You're connected to them, and they're watching you, and they're operating even their activities and their sound system around you according to what you're doing. See how they've now stopped, whereas the minute I turn this off it will start up again, but I can't prove that because I have to turn it off.